Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. Already updated you a few days ago that we obviously were breaking through this trend line to the downside, that probably here the wave 2 correction has started. And I think this is what we observe at the moment. And the wave 2 support area is based on the FIBs here of the entire wave 1. So we're looking at the area between 33.1 and 17.1 cents, basically, here between the 50% and the 78.6 FIB. We did so far react to the 38.2 FIB retracement here at around 39 cents, 39.6. This is highly relevant because this could already be a first support level for the the decline here. Sometimes a wave 2 even only comes down to the 38.2 FIB level. However, I really cannot count a clear 3-wave move out of this. So for me, this looks quite sharp, this correction. Basically like an impulse, like an A wave of a larger wave 2. So what I'm watching out for is now possibly a B wave, which ideally should be a little bit clearer. I mean, we ran into resistance here yesterday, so this is a red zone of resistance, which is relevant for the B wave. We touched it already. What I will do now, because it was already touched yesterday, I will make it a little bit smaller because we already reacted to the 38.2 FIB level. So the next key resistance will be the 50% FIB level for a B wave. And I would not be surprised if we are going to see here a little bit more upside in the B wave. We don't need to. It's done what it needed to do. It reached here the 38.2 retracement, but it does not really seem to want to go down impulsively yet in the C wave, so I'm giving the option at the moment that it could still go a little bit higher. And if it does that, there would be a possible short trade from here for anybody who wants to do it in a C wave of 2. Could the C wave have started already? Possibly, but I don't really have an impulse down yet. What we need to see then, we want to see a 5-wave move down. This is 1, 2, 3. Only have basically an A, B, C down, possibly in the B wave. And we might now be rallying up in a C wave of B, but it's not high confidence. I mean, always bear in mind, what this is. This is micro counting. I mean, it's certainly possible to maybe speculate here for short-term higher prices. We are in a support area, certainly. Could set the problem is, however, with trading this long now, that really to set your stop loss, you have to go below the last low, and that is at 35.8, so it's quite far away. But by all means, I think there is still a chance to go higher here in a C wave, as long as we are holding the 39.5 cent level. I mean, you could even set your stop loss below that level if you want to speculate and trade that long. But I have to warn you, this is trading a B wave, and trading a B wave is extremely difficult. It faces a lot of headwinds because it's a corrective wave. But it's possible, right? But I wouldn't do it. You can do it if you want to. It's your choice. But a B wave, I would recommend not trading a B wave. And then coming down in the C and then scaling in here would be an option, which is at least what I do. So at the moment, I have no reason to believe that this correction is already finished. Assuming that we will go down further eventually is also part of what I believe for Bitcoin and Ethereum based on what they do at the moment. And should, however, we now rally above 55.5 cents or 55.6, then we talk about that we rally above the 78.6 retracement, then I have to assume that we are not in a B wave anymore, that we're actually already in a breakout. Now, I don't assume that at this stage, also especially not considering how long it took to form this wave 1 to the upside. And it would just be unusual that wave 2 was finished so quickly. I mean, this can now, in theory, this can stretch out now over various weeks here. We have a wave 2. This should not be finished very quickly. Of course, you always get your exceptions, but in all likelihood, normally not. We've come down in A wave, which is normally quite fast. The B wave is a corrective wave. It normally takes some time, and then we should still see a C wave. So you want to have 3 waves down. And if you take a look at how long actually this wave 1 took, normally the wave 2 should take much longer than that in comparison to the wave 1. So I think at the moment we are in a B wave. I would not recommend trading a B wave, but it's up to you. You have to decide that for yourself. This is certainly a support area out of which, against the last low, we can push higher. Then here I would expect ideally a reaction down further, and eventually the primary expectation at the moment is to get into this region here, which again is between 17.1 cents, which I don't necessarily expect we get all the way down there, and 33.1 cents. Let's see. But that's my view here about FETCH.AI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.